since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely. A warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the blower wheel in this NuTone Bath Fan, you will need 2 flathead screwdrivers, a 1/4 inch nut driver, an 11/32 inch nut driver, and a 3/8 inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the power supply to the fan. Using a flathead screwdriver, compress the locking tab to release the lens cover from the grille assembly. Unscrew the light bulb. While securing the grille and reflector assembly with your hand, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, loosen and unscrew the acorn nut. Unplug the reflector assembly from the light receptacle and remove the reflector assembly. Unplug the exhaust fan from the fan receptacle. Using the 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the hex head screw located on the exhaust fan housing and pull down the housing. Take a flathead screwdriver and pry up on the clip holding the power cord to the housing. Using an 11/32 inch nut driver, remove the 2 lock nuts that are holding the exhaust fan to the housing and separate the housing from the exhaust fan. Using 2 flathead screwdrivers, slightly insert the ends into the blower wheel vents for leverage, then pry up against the fan until the blower wheel separates from the exhaust fan. Take the new blower wheel out from the packaging. Align the center hole of the new blower wheel to the D shaft. Once aligned, firmly press the blower wheel to the fan motor until the top of the D shaft is flush with the top of the blower wheel. With the exhaust fan assembly complete, take the fan housing and feed the exhaust fan motor cord through the exhaust air inlet and place the mounting bracket over the 2 motor studs. Screw the 2 locking nuts onto the studs, securing the mounting bracket to the motor. Use an 11/32 inch nut driver to tighten the locking nuts firmly. Clip the fan motor cord into the housing. With the exhaust fan housing, insert the metal tabs into the mounting holes nearest to the fan shroud on the bath fan housing. While supporting the exhaust fan housing, insert the hex head screw and start it. This will hold the exhaust fan housing in place. Tighten the hex head screw with a 1/4 inch nut driver. Plug the fan into the fan receptacle. Plug the reflector assembly into the light receptacle. With the grille assembly in hand, feed the reflector assembly through the grille assembly center opening. Support the grille assembly and center it over the bath fan housing. Insert the reflector assembly, screw on the acorn nut, and tighten with a 3/8 inch nut driver. Screw the light bulb into the light socket. Hook one of the tabs of the lens cover into the notch on the grille assembly and firmly press the opposite side of the lens cover to snap the other tab into place. Turn the power supply back on. And the bath fan should be ready for use.